Wagwan YouTube, and we're back with the next video. Alright, so as you can see, we're actually in the car, but guys, sneak out. So today's the last weekend. So we sneak out. So we're supposed to under curfew right now, but that means that nobody's on the road. So that simply means that's the best time to actually have a driving lesson. So today I'll actually be teaching Orain how to drive. I know the roads have reversed, and I'm loving it that way. So so I'll be teaching Orain how to drive pretty much. We're just gonna do a little test run because he's about to go out and get his license and sort out himself, so he can drive and everything. Legally at least.
Today we're gonna do the illegal version. Hopefully the police not stop you. One police is right down this.
Him there?
No, him
Squad in there. Alright, cool. Ready? Drive. Alright, so you put on the handbrake and a time for drive now.
Yeah, they make something to tell them. Put on the handbrake.
Yeah. You know where the man put on the handbrake, you know, for start up like here, but not drive.
And then ease up off of the gear.
Ease out.
And we're off.
Jesus, sorry. Alright, let's go.
Press gas. Go straight or take a left.
You're going to take a left. You're confused me. Take a right turn.
Take a left turn.
Right now people them damn wall. Right now people them walls I'm gonna talk for. Hey man, I'm gonna show you the road people. Clear, best time for do one driving lesson actually.
Oh Jesus.
What's up brother Wiki? That's me turn the camera. As me turn the camera, the man zoom up on me. Orain, take your time. The road very clear. Perfect time.
Jesus Christ, one carry come, Shadi, one carry come.
Left.
Left?
Tell the left.
Please man, you can't just say left.
Brother, in the middle of the road. Jesus, look where rich people. Jesus Christ. Orain is supposed to be on your side of the road. You keep to the left. That's the first rule of driving, but keep to the left. Keep to the left. Jesus Christ. You know I'm going to turn back on you. As I turn up on the road, you let loose. You let loose.
Monkey man.
Alright, so Orain, so we're gonna just go straight.
Go straight up here?
No, actually, yes, I want you to take this left turn on the last left turn here.
Is that dead end down here now?
Is that dead end? We'll take a right turn. We're gonna just look down. That's a dead end.
So there's no more turn to come out. I would have to
take the right turn then. You can always, take the right turn.
Indicate pigeons, I will kill you.
Yeah.
Shouldn't fly because I like to run like on a dog or cat or something. That's what I turn?
Nobody know the old Jamaican, the community discipline each.
But we are the only thing we go to road.
That me I say with us out of place. Well disciplined, you guys I like it. Not even the door them open. Jesus, not even a window.
Staying, don't mind us. We're unruly patrons.
Yes, Orain, so yeah, get in.
The money and wash him car. Go back inside and you just
Yeah man, this nice Orain, so we're gonna drive the streets, remember, adhere to the stoplights. Stoplight, backside in the community. Yeah, so we're back on the main now, see? We reach. Watch the people them walk, watch them.
Nigga, yeah.
Watch them up and down. Jesus, Orain, Jesus! Brother, I don't saw you press pan gas. Brother, babes.
That was heavy, yeah.
Heavy footed. I don't come cut me. Make sure you can dodge people them car. Come on, we're gonna do some training now. So I'm gonna teach you how to reverse, and I'm gonna teach you how to do like a 3-point turn. We're going to learn to do all of those stuff. A 3-point turn. Alright. And we're gonna learn how remember, so you're slowing down, come to a complete stop. Teach him the right way. You're going to take a right. We're going to stop. The Lord of God have mercy. Orain, go on. Turn. Him give the way.
Thank you, kind sir.
You look like a cross, yes.
So you take so long to turn, boy.
Must say the way. Go straight. So we're gonna end up back home. I'm not gonna care about there actually. So I'm gonna actually make you start doing some reverse. So we're gonna go back where we're coming from. So we're going to take. So no, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we're gonna turn on Renee Avenue, right? So we're gonna go onto our right here, onto our left. Oh, this is a badass road actually. I should have. Yeah, come. You're on this side of the road. Right here, no, we have go. We have a reverse back. Forget me, mama reverse back. You know a Jamaican this. Or you're on the wrong side of the road.
But may I say which way we are going?
We're going back. We're teaching you to reverse, so we need to be on this side of the road.
I can't be reversing this. I'm supposed somebody come and run up in
I'm showing you how to do.
You can do something else, please.
Orain,
Please.
go. We're going to do our next one.
Yes,
go
please,
straight.
I'm comfortable with.
But you have to learn how to do it.
No, I know that, but I just said I feel comfortable reversing this because somebody cannot come and them not see me.
But that's the whole point of learning, because when you're on the road and you need to do it, people will be coming. Orain today a lot though, nobody not up on the road. I want to look a stray dog will fine.
Just sit 2 cars on the road and some posts there, so people look on them.
So you see, look a stray dog, them and stray post.
I can't leave them post dog.
Post dog. Yes, drive and go ahead. Go ahead, Orain, stop. Yes, go. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to drive straight same way. Come to a complete stop, get back onto your side of the road, Orain. Alright, go on. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm show the road a little bit. But Papa Jesus, my day things that me have video talk about my aunt. Anyways, come. We're going to take a right turn and we're going to reverse. So you're going to take a right turn onto this avenue and we're going to back up on Redney Avenue. So you're going to be on the come on to this side of the road. Yes, the left side, sir. Take on your side of the road. Yes, and then you're alright. Okay, you're good. No, come back over to the car. Orain, we have go, brother. Yes, my love. Yes, alright. Take time. We're going to be somebody come behind you. Put on your indicator. Alright, I'm going to go. In absence. So you're going to reverse. So you're going to put in a reverse. I don't know where you come up so far. I have a lot of reversing to do. Let me show you. Look on here.
Jesus. Your hand cannot be here.
Oh. Let me flip the camera. Alright, so take time. You know, if it's just go straight. Just go straight. You know, if you start wrap up nothing yet. Go straight. We're a little bit too far from the curb though. Like, you know where you're turning right, you're going to turn the wheel this way. You're going to turn it left way to the left. Because we're going back from where we come from.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Make sure you're not riding the banking, you know.
I know, I can see people on the back.
This is the best time to take you. Watch your people them open them window. Jesus.
Open the window.
Not the window, no. Them draw them curtain. Creepy bad. Lady, me can't see you look on me. What's a warm to them people here?
Someone see them over there on him Verdanda.
The Verdanda. Orain, look how far you know, so we're going to have to do it again. You're too much in the road, sir. Sir, you're in the middle of the road. Babes, we're going to have to do that again. But at least you get the idea what me. Yes, we're going to come up from what's alright, see? So you line up back, you stay all the way up on the left. I think that's a 3-point turn, or I wrong one that.
Go forward?
Yeah, we're going to go, yeah, we're coming back from, we're going, you know, where we came from. That's the whole point. You know, if somebody give wrong instructions, you know, it was in a awful try.
Next time.
Yes, sir. But just a try for gear. Look how left ones.
Keep it at a good 20.
Left ones. But you can't press gas, you know, you can go up on 40.
40?
Yes. Yes, 40 is not bad. It's a nice even number. I know people. Yeah, I know bad. Orain, stay on your side of the road.
I can't drive in a
car. I know, but I say no. Go up on your side of the road, come to a stop, we're up on the main road, right?
So which way the far right?
We're going to take the left, we're going up now, we're moving on up, yes. Make sure you can hold the back of bush here. Make sure you can see it. Yeah, you turn, we're turning. Alright, we're going to have to practice your turn. So guess what, we're going to go in one back of circles now, here. So we're going to drive, go up. We're going on one back a circle. So we'll go from the top and we'll go circle, come so right back round. Straight up at the top and you're going to take the very last right turn. One back a circle, so I'm going to put you in the camera. One you can hug the corner nice and tight. You can hug it and caress it. Take time. Watch your picnic. Jesus is Lord. Jesus Christ.
No, sir. For picnic them here.
And look how she can't.
Jing bang them here. Sure, go inside. It's curfew. What you doing
and
now?
Look how she can't stand up good. Orain, me say take it right. I left this.
I thought you said we was going to do the reverse.
In the main road, you must say mad. You didn't put this up on subsections. Alright, we can take turns them on the left. We can take the turns on the left. It's fine, it's fine.
Reverse here, sir.
No. All you want to do is the reverse right here. Not bad. No, not do that. We're gonna take some turns. I want you to hug the corner without scraping it up, right? So we're gonna okay.
Left?
We're gonna it's left. Everything's gonna be on the left. Okay, so we're gonna take a left turn right here. Yes. Look on it. Yes, make a show now.
You see me hug up the corner, you're good.
Yes.
Bad to bad.
Come again. We're gonna go up and take the second left. Yeah?
Second left?
Second left. Yes.
I'm up the corner then.
Come stay on your side of the road now, please, sir. Yes. Yes. Second left. Whoa, somebody take a speed. Yes. Somebody comfortable. Yes, on your side of the road. I'm gonna say hug the corner, but don't scrape it. Hug it, but don't scrape it. Yes, sir.
Hug the corner is my lover.
Yeah. Excuse me? Where is it?
Shadika is my lover.
Okay. No, yourself. Alright. Alright, so we'll have a look. Hold on. Pause. Stop. Yes. Alright, so we can see there's a lot of little obstacles. Yes. So we're gonna have to bing bang saying we're gonna have to left to right, right to left. Right? And then you're gonna come over. Yes. And then we're gonna have to come back over because you're supposed to keep to the left. So you're gonna have to come back on your side as soon as it's free, right? Okay, alright. And then we're gonna drive straight ahead now. We're going back on the main. I'm going to take the turns now on the right. So you hook up your left turns, we're gonna hook up the right. This damn pitney, cheese on peas.
Straight?
This woman are
Straight?
Turn left. Come out of them way. I don't want to get into any trouble. No trouble. So ladies taking her children on a nice evening stroll. I would not like to traumatize her. Yes, so come out of them.
Traumatize she? Is she worried about? And I just lick down
and she with 4 pitney Orain, I don't want to traumatize the woman. The car can't always buy back or fix out, right? And the pitney them out the door or get the leak.
So who don't traumatize me or she and I mean what got prison for manslaughter, Shadika?
Come here. Alright, so you're a little bit too far right here, so we want kind of close up the ear, we want close up the space a little bit. Alright, so yeah. Hold on then, let me drop it. So you want close up that. Oh, sorry. So you want close up that space there. Little tubes, yes. And straighten it up now, sir. Yes. And then you're gonna get ready for turn. Are we going back? Yeah, man, this good.
So don't go too far out.
Yeah, man, you start turning now. I remember when you start turning, because if you start turning too late, you're going to be far out in the middle of the road. But you wanna watch you do?
Yeah, go up the side road.
Jesus, Orain.
Want me too close?
No, my ears something while ago. I want that weird over. Alright, yeah, man, you're good, you're nice. Go on, man, you're nice. You nice.
Hug it up.
Yeah, man, you're nice. This nice. This. Yeah, man. Yeah. Come round. Yeah. Straight. Hello, another sidewalk you're driving. Turn the wheel. Turn it around. Yes, turn it so. What am I say? Carry it so. Alright, so we're good now. We're out of the way.
Right. So which way now? Left?
Yeah,
right should say?
Yeah, man, we can go right. So we'll get the 3-point turn. Correct me if I said the wrong name for this turn. But we'll do that turn and we'll get it going good. So we're gonna need to practice now. Yo.
You turn?
You turn. What? You're right. You're turning because you need to hug the curb like a more tighter.
So that way they are the better way.
Yes, we're gonna go on the right. Right? Okay.
Hug up the curb.
So we're gonna just do beer turns now. We're gonna go left, right, left, right.
So give the curb back.
Come Orain, you need to stick up on your side. Yeah, as I say, you're turning too late. So you're in the middle of the road.
Alright. Learning.
Yes.
You go straight? Oh, me now go straight and go on white car.
We're going to turn. We're turning right here, so turn on the left. Right? Yes. Come over. Yes. Yes, you're much better. A breath of fresh air. That was lovely, that was delightful. But Orain, come over more on your side of the road, please. And thank you. You turn, but you have to stay over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are going So drive straight across, and then we're going to take straight across.
Okay.
Then we're going to take that left turn.
Left?
Yeah, we're going to drive straight across, then we'll take that first left turn.
That's smooth.
No, actually give me a right turn.
Jesus.
Give me a right turn. I think go straight across, then give me the right turn. Yeah, man. Yes,
Man, good think we are looking for somebody and lost.
Nothing wrong. We can just tell them, say, look on YouTube. You know, Orain actually for FP, if you're new, subscribe.
Watch out, man, look on like crazy.
Me that must think so we're crazy too.
Alright.
Give me the left. We just come from right. That's why I'm saying give me the left. We're just coming from the left. That's why I said give me. We're just coming from the right. So just give me the left. No. We just come from the left. More on the right. Me on the right. Yes.
So just fine. So you want to go.
Derek.
Alright. That's how we forgot.
Derek.
Alright.
But I know they saw the police there. Jesus.
We're going to pass him here and get the park.
They saw the popo there now. For Jesus.
Nasty police. That was good, right?
Yeah. You're on your side of the road perfectly and
You want
everything.
to catch the police?
No.
Being nasty.
Alright, so I wanted to show you how to do a dead end now. So we're going to drive straight to the bottom. We're going to drive to the bottom of the road,
No,
this road.
not a dead end.
It's a dead end.
Oh.
Yes, it is. So we're going to turn, yes. And we're going to go to the dead end and we're going to learn how to get... Lord, man, I tell me someone back a car park down there.
That's why I never go down there. That's why I
You don't look bad, go on. Come out of the Orain, not go driving at the ditch. Do not drive in there. Don't do it.
Girl, let me love you.
You're just singing. I can't.
So don't go in that ditch area.
No, sir. Avoid it. Alright, smooth. You have to put nice acceleration. You see the car, you're going to come and avoid it. Yes, nice. I like it. One back of car, no, so me like it. Alright, so they're not in your way. At the bottom is clear, which is what we want. So we're going to do a 3. In what 3 points? We're going to do a dead end turn. Okay, wide. We're going to turn. I can do it, or I can manage it. Turn.
Turn.
Yes, turn. Turn. Go. Stop. Yeah, and then we're going to reverse now. Turn the wheel to the ear. Yeah, doing it good. You can look in here, so as a guide. Or you can just look straight behind you.
Use the mirror.
Yeah, man, whichever one works for you. One man. When you have enough space now, you just turn in front of you. You have enough space? Alright, stop now. Alright, good. Perfect.
You see that? See that YouTube?
Alright, good. So you do your dead end turn. Right? I know people them come out and murder me, come and never get see nobody over there. Me don't know them intentions. I will turn from Kurt. What did I say? Yeah, Curfew. Oh, it wasn't. Alright, so we're on it. To be clear. Yeah, straight. You know, go out so you can actually see what coming. Take your time though. Anything coming?
Leave nowhere.
Is that where they live? Orain, don't shower this swinging poopa, Jesus, brother. We have swing so far. No, not with me. No, take time. With me, please.
You want to turn yourself? Oh, this Dennis?
No, if ever no. My head hurt me. Jesus Christ. I feel traumatized. Me.
Wrap it around.
You there run mommy too much now. We need to go discipline her. As we know what she can teach you.
See, mommy, I go coach me. Patual!
Alright, so we're gonna go straight and then we're gonna have to just reverse and we're going back up on that side. So we know what we need ahead of time. So we're gonna go straight up the road.
That man, since the pedals are going on, so Orain gain her.
Gain more. So we're gonna drive straight to the end of the road.
Up this one?
Yes. Body per mango. For one you just have combo. You just have 1 and 2. Boy, or you know when we want to pick a mango, you know
where to come.
We know where to
so
come.
This is a good little experience.
You know
the hot mango spots.
You know the mango spots them can do a mango picking video, raiding other people's mango tree before we can get cage. How much we can get?
How to thief a mango without get cage?
How to thief mango in Jamaica? For your consumption, or for you call it sale.
Just walk with a long tip.
You can probably go over some. It's close to the curb on your side. It looks like you can go over somewhere.
I'm at a good distance.
Go. I don't say go over because it seems like you're in the middle of the road mostly.
I'm in the middle of the road, but it's a good distance away from the.
I remember, so you're gonna have to turn on this side and you're turning on your right, so you're gonna have to stay more to this side of the road. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pick a little speed. Alright, it's not bad. This don't bad. It don't too bad. Like time when people want to beat the fitness, cannot replace them. Cross the man in the pitney?
No, I'm not the first.
Okay.
We have come up on it.
Alright, so extra precaution. Can't replace nobody.
Close to that little curve.
Walk over. I remember we're turning in. So you reach close, you're gonna start turning Orain. Or you should have started turning already.
Not really.
No? Okay. No, we can't really see too. I can't say no. Alright. Remember you're good. Make sure. Take your time. Nobody speedy. Take your time.
Jesus Christ.
Orain, don't frighten me.
I'm myself here talking, sorry. It's good.
You know what? Come go here, yard.
We forgot we are now.
Come go. You're not ready?
We can drive like 2 more lap round, please.
Hold on.
Oh, father. Oh, look at that in the side. Oh, in there. Oh, you're not here. Alright.
Guys, so that is it. I mean, if you would like, you can always rate Orain's driving down below. Tell me how much more lessons you think I need to give him.
100 more.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed this little video now, guys. And please, we're on a journey to 1,000 subscribers, guys. We're getting so close.
We need 103.
Something like that right at this moment. So guys, please just subscribe. It doesn't cost you guys anything. If you enjoyed our little company, please
like the video,
share
it with your friends,
like it up so you can get pushed. Comment down below, and guys, just subscribe to us. If you're new,
and if you're returning to us,
and you're not subscribed, but guys, if this is the second video you watch with you, you know we like we by now, you like we.
Or you wouldn't watch that one here.
You wouldn't watch that one. So please just do a little favors. If we nobody reach 1,000, guys, we would not bombard them. So I lie, I tell you. Bombard and see. But yeah, guys,
thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed our company.
Yeah. See you in the next video, guys.
Bye.